Think of a fast food chain that's a household name worldwide. Did KFC just cross your mind? Kentucky Fried Chicken, commonly known as KFC, is more than just a fast food chain. It's a story of perseverance, innovation, and finger-licking success. The tale begins in the heart of America, in the state of Kentucky, during a time when the world was grappling with the Great Depression. Picture this. It's the year 1930. The world economy is in a tailspin, and starting a business seems like a ludicrous idea. But that didn't deter our main character, the indomitable Colonel Harlan Sanders. With an entrepreneurial spirit and a secret chicken recipe, Sanders embarked on a journey that would change the face of the fast food industry forever. The Colonel didn't have the luxury of a fancy commercial kitchen or a spacious dining area. His own living quarters doubled as the first KFC dining room. It was here, in the modest surroundings of a roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky, that KFC was born. The Colonel's kitchen was a hub of culinary innovation. With limited resources but an abundance of determination, Sanders began experimenting with pressure fryers to speed up the cooking process of his signature chicken. This was no small feat considering the economic climate of the time. Despite the challenges, Sanders held on to his belief that good food served quickly could be a profitable business model. He was right. His roadside restaurant soon gained popularity for its delicious, quickly served meals. Word spread about the Colonel's unique, flavorful chicken, and the establishment became a local favorite. But the story doesn't end there. This humble beginning was just the first step in the making of a fast food empire. The Colonel's entrepreneurial journey took him from his modest home in Kentucky to the global stage, as his unique chicken recipe won over taste buds across continents. From a small roadside restaurant to a global fast food chain, the journey of KFC began in an unexpected way. And as we'll discover in the following scenes, the story of KFC is a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and of course, a finger-licking good recipe. Would you believe that KFC's success revolves around a secret recipe with 11 herbs and spices? That's right. The heart of this fast food giant's success is a mystery blend that Colonel Harlan Sanders concocted back in the 1940s. Let's journey back in time to the bustling 1940s, a time of swing music and post-war optimism. Sanders, a seasoned cook, was experimenting with a mix of herbs and spices at his roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. His goal? To create the perfect fried chicken. After countless attempts, Sanders struck gold. He developed a unique blend of 11 herbs and spices that gave his chicken that distinctive, mouth-watering flavor. And thus, the legendary KFC secret recipe was born. This recipe wasn't just a culinary breakthrough, it was a business masterstroke too. You see, at that time, fast food was burgeoning, but most establishments were serving similar fare. The secret recipe offered KFC an edge, a unique selling point that set it apart from the crowd. And it worked. Customers flocked to KFC for that finger-licking good chicken, making it a household name. But what about the secrecy? Now that's where the intrigue lies. The secret recipe is no common knowledge. It's so secret, in fact, that only a handful of people in the world know the full recipe today. How's that for exclusivity? Each of these privileged few is under strict confidentiality agreements, and the original handwritten recipe is locked away in a high-tech vault at KFC's Louisville headquarters. The recipe is so closely guarded that the company uses two separate suppliers to produce it, ensuring that neither has the complete formula. All these measures ensure that the secret recipe remains just that, a secret. So there you have it, folks. The secret recipe isn't just about the tantalizing taste of KFC's chicken. It's a tale of innovation, differentiation, and shrewd business strategy. This secret recipe, a closely guarded asset, has been tantalizing taste buds around the globe for over 8 decades, and it shows no signs of stopping anytime soon. When did the Colonel's chicken start flying across borders, you ask? Well, sit tight and let's rewind to the year 1952. The first KFC franchise outside Kentucky was established not too far away in Salt Lake City, Utah. This was the first time the Colonel's secret recipe had left its birthplace, but it certainly wasn't the last. From the humble beginnings in Utah, the Colonel's dream quickly took flight. The 60s and 70s were a time of explosive growth for KFC. The finger-licking good chicken was no longer just an American delight. It began to tantalize taste buds all around the globe, from the busy streets of Tokyo to the bustling markets of Johannesburg. The Colonel's chicken found itself being enjoyed under the bright lights of London's Piccadilly Circus and along the tranquil canals of Amsterdam. It was savored in the shadow of the Great Pyramids of Egypt, and under the towering skyline of Hong Kong. It even made its way to the icy landscapes of Russia, becoming the first Western fast food chain to open there in 1990. But how did this happen? Well, it was all down to the Colonel's relentless vision and the franchise model. Franchising allowed KFC to expand rapidly without the need for huge capital investment. It also meant local entrepreneurs could adapt the menu to suit local tastes, ensuring the Colonel's chicken was always a hit no matter where it landed. By the end of the 70s, KFC had over 3,000 outlets in more than 40 countries. That's a lot of chicken. And yet, the Colonel's dream didn't stop there. Today, KFC is one of the world's largest restaurant chains, with outlets in over 140 countries. So, there you have it. From a single roadside restaurant in Kentucky to a global fast food empire, the journey of KFC is truly a testament to the power of a good idea, a secret recipe, and a whole lot of determination. The Colonel's chicken did not only cross roads but also oceans and mountains, making KFC a global phenomenon. Scene script. Fast forward to today, where does KFC stand in the fast food industry? Well, let's delve into that. Kentucky Fried Chicken, more commonly known as KFC, has been a staple in the fast food world for decades. Today it's a global phenomenon with a presence in over 140 countries, boasting more than 22,000 locations. That's a lot of fried chicken. KFC's worldwide success is not just a result of its iconic fried chicken, but also its continuous evolution and innovation. This is a brand that knows how to stay relevant. They're not just about chicken anymore, they're about creating an experience. An experience, as they say, that's finger-licking good. Let's talk about their menu, for instance. KFC has managed to maintain its core identity while innovating with new offerings to cater to the changing tastes and preferences of its global customers. From the classic original recipe to the spicy zinger, and let's not forget the innovative Beyond Fried Chicken for the more health-conscious consumers. KFC has something for everyone. Innovation extends beyond their menu, though. KFC's marketing strategies are equally dynamic. They're known for their quirky and engaging ad campaigns that resonate with audiences, helping the brand maintain its strong presence in the fast food industry. In the face of fierce competition, KFC has also embraced technology. They've streamlined operations and enhanced customer experiences with online ordering, mobile apps, and even AI-powered drive-thrus. This tech-savvy approach is keeping KFC at the forefront of the fast food industry. And let's not forget their commitment to sustainability. KFC is steadily working towards its goal of making all plastic-based, consumer-facing packaging recoverable or reusable by 2025. It's a commendable step towards a greener future. So, where does KFC stand today? It stands strong as a global fast food giant, continually evolving, innovating, and setting new standards. It's not just about serving fried chicken, it's about serving experiences. And with over 22,000 outlets serving millions of customers daily, it's safe to say those experiences are indeed finger-licking good. KFC continues to conquer the fast food realm, offering more than just fried chicken, but an experience that's finger-licking good. We've covered quite a journey, haven't we? Let's take a quick recap. Our story began with the birth of a finger-licking franchise, a story of humble beginnings. Born in the heart of Kentucky, Colonel Sanders started with a simple roadside restaurant. His passion for food and relentless pursuit of perfection led him to develop a unique blend of herbs and spices that would soon become the iconic secret recipe. This was the foundation of KFC, a brand that would go on to become a household name worldwide. The secret recipe, a tantalizing blend of 11 herbs and spices, was the cornerstone of KFC's success. Guarded fiercely and shrouded in mystery, this recipe added an irresistible allure to the golden, crispy chicken that was soon to take the world by storm. The tantalizing taste of KFC's offerings, coupled with Colonel Sanders' business acumen, set the stage for an unprecedented expansion. The Colonel's dream didn't stop at the borders of Kentucky or even the United States. With an unwavering vision, KFC embarked on a journey of global expansion. Today, the brand's footprint extends across continents, reaching food lovers in every corner of the world. The red and white logo of KFC is now a global symbol of delicious, finger-licking fast food. And where does KFC stand today? It is a global fast food giant, serving millions of customers each day. Despite the challenges and the changing landscape of the fast food industry, KFC continues to thrive, adapting to new markets and consistently delivering the quality and taste that made it a beloved brand. From a small roadside restaurant in Kentucky to a global fast food chain, KFC's journey is a testament to the power of a good recipe and a dream. Who knows what the future holds for this finger-licking franchise?